All right, here's my next video on Mr. Sparky, who's just turning out to be one of my favorite cats. He's just so fun, and he's so interactive, playful, knows his name, comes running up to you, answers. This is just a wonderful cat. Very, very good cat for, I think, a family that has maybe older kids that wants to be involved with the cat. He wants attention, he needs attention, he's very smart. So I think it's key that he go to a place he's going to get lots of attention. But he's great. I mean, he's like having a dog, and by the way, he loves dogs. I mean, absolutely loves them. So I'm told. So any place that has dogs, he would fit right in. So this is a good guy. Really, really a great cat.